Introducing for 2010 is the DR Ortho Comfort Cast Walker. As you can see, this is the package model. This is how it'll come to you. This is the actual sole that you'll be wearing on the bottom of your cast. If you notice, there's no canvas, there's no straps. It just adheres to the bottom of your cast using hook and loop Velcro. What we have here is a simulated cast. I'm going to demonstrate how the cast walker is installed. First, we're going to clamp this down. Okay, this is just a simulated cast, okay? What you want to do, if you're at a physician's office, you want to heat the bottom of the cast so that you completely dry all the resins in the bottom of the cast. You might want to even pat it dry with a towel first. You'll do this for about, I would say about a minute. You can actually feel the cast starting to get warm. Okay, the next step is we're going to apply the loop to the bottom of the cast. Okay, so it's a sticky back. We're going to remove the back, and in the kit will come a little wooden paddle, and you will place that wooden paddle here. Now I'm using a heat gun, but you can also use a hair dryer, but it will just take a little bit more time to heat rather than using a heat gun. If you have a heat gun, I recommend that you use it. But what we want to do is we want to soften the glue on the top of the hook, the loop, so that we can adhere it. It's better adherence because it gets into the rough cast pores. So what we're going to do is we're going to just heat this up. You'll see it start to shine up and get a glaze to it. Your outside edges are very critical. As you can see, it's turning almost clear. Okay, once we heat that up, we want to place it center of the cast. Stick it down on the bottom, remove the stick. And what we're doing is we're just going to very firmly wipe that on. Now you can take your stick and you can go down where the grooves are and you can just use it. Make sure you get around the edges real well. Once that's installed, once this cools, it will become one. Now what we're going to do, it's a simple step, is we're going to take the Ortho walker and it will just place center of the foot. Take this clamp off. And there you have it. The DR Ortho Comfort Cast Walker. As you can see, I did a test measurement, it's about 120 psi. If you notice any edges that start picking up after you're wearing the cast, you can use a little bit of super glue to just glue that edge back down, and that'll take care of all your problems. Walker on. So like you get ready to go to bed at night, you just take the walker off. When you're walking around the house, this is a little house walker pad I designed. That will go right on the bottom of the cast, and that will avoid slippage on hard surface floors. So there you have it. It's simple, it's easy, extremely comfortable, and it's priced moderately reasonable.